Ever wondered if topping up your GrabPay wallet is truly free? You're cruising along, enjoying the convenience of cashless payments, ordering food, booking rides, and then it hits you. Is there a hidden charge every time you add funds? It's a valid question, especially in the world of digital wallets where fees can sometimes pop up unexpectedly. GrabPay has become an essential part of daily life for millions across Southeast Asia. It's more than just a payment method, it's an entire ecosystem that integrates transport, food delivery, and financial services, all within one app. The ease of use, coupled with various rewards and promotions, makes it incredibly appealing. But with any financial service, understanding the fine print, particularly concerning fees, is crucial. Nobody likes an unwelcome surprise when managing their money. So, let's talk about the GrabPay top-up fee. As of September 11, 2024, Grab introduced a 1% fee for GrabPay wallet top-ups made using most credit cards. This means if you top up RM100 using a credit card, you'll be charged RM101. This move aligns Grab with other e-wallet providers in the region, like Touch In Go eWallet and BigPay, which have also implemented similar charges due to the costs associated with processing credit card reloads. Essentially, e-wallet providers have been absorbing these transaction fees, and now, many are passing a portion of that cost onto the consumer. However, it's not all about fees. There are still ways to top up your GrabPay wallet for free. The key is to be mindful of your top-up method. Here's the breakdown of what incurs a fee and what remains free. Asterisk credit cards, most credit card top-ups, whether local or foreign issued, will incur a 1% convenience fee. This applies even to auto top-ups. So, if you've got an auto top-up set up with a credit card, it's worth reviewing your settings. Asterisk Maybank Grab MasterCard Platinum Credit Card asterisk good news for holders of this specific co-branded card. Top-ups using the Maybank Grab MasterCard Platinum Credit Card are exempt from the 1% fee. This is a special perk designed to encourage the use of their partnered card. Asterisk debit cards asterisk topping up your GrabPay wallet using a debit card remains completely free. This is often the most straightforward and fee-free option for many users. Asterisk bank transfers asterisk direct bank transfers from your linked bank account to your GrabPay wallet also incur no charges. This includes online banking transfers and direct transfers from services like GX Bank, a joint venture involving Grab. Asterisk other digital transfer methods asterisk methods like PayNow VPA, virtual payment address, and Singapore or DuitNow transfers in Malaysia, where applicable, are generally free ways to add funds to your GrabPay wallet. It's important to always check the information tooltip within the Grab app when you're making a top-up. This will clearly display any applicable convenience fees before you confirm your transaction, giving you the option to proceed or choose an alternative method. Understanding these details can help you optimize your GrabPay usage and avoid unnecessary charges. By choosing the right top-up method, you can continue to enjoy the convenience of GrabPay without any surprising deductions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.